Hey guys, so this is Brianna, and I'm here to do a review on the FREEARM Feeding-tube Assistant. So, as you can see, it's backwards because my camera is flipping it, but it's called the FREEARM Feeding-tube Assistant. This thing is amazing, and this box is so small. And it's actually really great. So I kept that for you guys. I actually have my FREEARM out already. But this is just came wrapping few things, which is this basically gives them a shout out kind of thing, which is really cool. And then the FREEARM instruction manual. So the box that my FREEARM came in, and if you don't know what a FREEARM is, I'm about to show you. So FREEARM is basically a bendable, movable replacement for what we call an IV pole. If you have a feeding tube, a G-tube, a bolus feeding, and a cabbage feeding tube, you will know what an IV pole is. So this is basically a replacement for that. Mine is in light pink. I absolutely love this. It's awesome. I'm going to show you guys how it works in a little bit. But this little clamp is really cool. All it came with was like this off, and you just had to put it on the bowl. And this 360 movable thing, so you can move it up, down, side to side, which is really useful. I use these, and I have 1,500 bag feed. Like, that's how big mine is. So my bag is a normal size, but I'm switching to 500. So, but I absolutely love this, and it's been very useful to me for the last couple days. I've been using it for when I'm on my bed. I can attach to my nightstand, and when I'm not using it, I can put it on my dresser because my dresser has like a little whip. So now I will show you the extension part of it. So as you will see right here, this little white part, this is really cool. And I will show you how it works. It just simply goes up and down. These little pads are like nice and foam, so nothing of yours can get ruined at all. This goes down, and you just shut the clamp, and you open it whenever you need. It's seriously the easiest thing ever to use. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how that works. And then this is just my feeding tube pump that I have, but I never use the little bag that they gave us because honestly it's really difficult to try to fit all the wires in the right holes in the right places, and it's just kind of annoying to tag along with extra bags. So my FREEARM actually is very useful, and I will definitely be using this for the hospital and any trips that I may take in the future. So yeah, this is very bendable. As you can see, I can move it pretty well. Pretty nice. You can move it however you want. I just like mine like this, so it just holds it the way I want it to. And then this is a really cool clamp. It also has the little black foam pads, so nothing can get damaged at all. It is seriously so helpful and so great. And I give them 5 stars out of 5 stars. They seriously have helped me so much. They were so kind when I ordered it. I actually messaged them on Instagram, and they answered me back. They followed me back, and they were just really helpful. So they were super sweet, super kind about everything. I really appreciated that in their company, and I love the meaning behind this. Their son passed away, but he had a lot of medical things going on with him. They made this invention for basically like babies and toddlers and anyone who needs it. It could be useful to them. You can attach it to strollers, you can attach it to cribs and stuff like that. And for me, I attach it to my dresser and my nightstand, and you can really attach it to anything you want. And I can also attach it to my desk as well, which is really, really nice. So this thing is awesome. They come in, I believe, white, pink, blue, and I think maybe black. So you have a lot of options to choose from. So this is my feeding pump, and it is not too bad. It's really small, it's pretty useful, and really handy. So as you can see, it fits in the frame completely, and it's like really small, which is great. It's compact, you can fold it down and just like take the pump off, which is really nice for traveling. So yeah, and then this is a really cool invention because you can go like this and you can put a bolus tube, which if you don't know what that is, that's basically like a really big syringe tube, and you can put that right here and it holds it. That's usually for babies on feeds, and if you don't know what a feed is, it's basically a medical feeding. So they use medical drinks to feed babies and people like me who have more medical issues, or feeding tubes or cabbage feeding tubes. And I can tell you the different ones in another video, and also about my feeding tube as well. And you guys will get to see videos about that, and also know my story of having golden heart. So for now, my review is definitely 5 out of 5. Really useful, really helpful. Honestly, it was probably the best investment that you're gonna make. And I heard about it from Wife with Stripes, and she is awesome. Definitely an inspiration. So that's who I heard it from, and that's how I got mine. And it's really awesome. Go check them out. I will try to have their Instagram link in the description, and hopefully the link to the video of Wife with Stripes. So I will try to add everything in, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Now I will go to the next frame and show you guys how I put mine on. Stay tuned. So I am back. I figured out how to do the clip. And here we have the FREEARM Feeding-tube assistant. And so I also show you how it clips on. So I'm going to grab it. And let's see if I can aim this down a little bit. So we're going to go like this. We're going to level it. And we're going to not move at all. It's super useful, and as you guys can see, very simple. And this is just what I use. And yeah, that's my review of the feeding tube assistant, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.